jungle.
Friends, this video is about the floral characters and morphology of the family Solanaceae, and it is represented by the plant Datura. Here the plant is a shrub. Leaves large, ovate, acute, sinuate, entire, obtusely lobed or toothed. The flower is large, 12 to 18 centimeter long, solitary, pedicelled, bracteate, complete, bisexual and hypogynous. The calyx tube is long, tubular, 5-toothed. Here I am showing that tooth of the calyx tube. 1, 2 and 3, 4, last one is 5. Corolla is funnel shaped, 5-lobed, lobes with acuminate tips, and it is white in color. Stamens are 5 in number, which are adnate near the base of the corolla tube. These are the stamens along with the gynoecium. After splitting the corolla tube, the structure appears like this. This one is the corolla tube and these are the sepals and these are the stamens. 5 epipetalar stamens are observed, which are adnate near the base of the corolla tube, and these are the anthers, which are linear and included. Okay, these are the filaments. Now I am separating the anthers. Okay. So 5 epipetalar stamens are observed here, and this one is the gynoecium, ovary, then long style, and this one is the stigma. So gynoecium is bicarpellary. Now I am discussing about the floral structure of the flower Datura. This one is mother axis. These 3 are the bracts, since the flower is bracteate, and this one is the calyx tube. It is made up of 5 sepals which are united to form the tube and valvate in manner. Next, this one is the corolla tube. It is made up of 5 petals which are twisted in manner. Inside this one, these are the stamens, 5 epipetalar stamens. Each stamen is attached to the petal, so it is epipetalous. Now this one is the gynoecium, that is transverse section of the ovary. Actually it is 2-chambered, but due to the formation of false septum it appears 4-chambered. And placentation is axile. The solid placenta is obliquely placed, that is maintaining an angle to the mother axis. Since the flower is bracteate, here it is BR. BR means bracteate, and flower is actinomorphic So here plus sign. And since it is having stamens and pistil, bisexual sign, calyx tube is represented by 5 members and they are united. So 5 has been kept inside the bracket. Corolla, this corolla tube, again the members are 5 and they are also united. That is gamopetalous. Endoecium, the members are 5 and they are epipetalous. Hence, this is the sign of epipetalous. Endoecium are attached to the petals. Gynoecium, ovary is superior and it is bicarpellary, and since they are united, the carpels are united or syncarpous, G is underlined. 2 is put inside the bracket. Okay.